Hello there and welcome. Mark Castillo here. Welcome to Mark Castillo's Freedom Breakthrough YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this episode of Affiliate Marketing Tips with Mark Castillo. So before I get right into the content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a beat on the latest up-to-date information on mindset, personal development, as well as marketing tactics for online business. This also helps support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. So yesterday, when I was just working on some things for business, I happened to come across a video from one of my mentors, Misha Wilson, and I decided to hop on this live video that he was doing on Facebook. And on this live video call, he was talking about how providing more value will lead you to less money. Now, you've probably heard this before. If you've ever been involved in building an online business, you've probably heard all the big time gurus or whoever say to you, give more value, give more value. If you give more value to the marketplace, then your income will dramatically go up. While that is somewhat true, here's what you want to understand. If you're just always providing value but never asking for the sale, you're hurting yourself. And the thing about people is most people don't like being sold to, and people hate selling and they don't like promoting themselves. So when they get involved in an online business, when they get involved in the kind of marketing like this, and they're too scared to ask for the sale, what ends up happening is if they keep conditioning their audience to follow that kind of pattern, what's going to happen is that audience that they're speaking to will be conditioned to look at them as the person who always provides value but never sells. So in other words, if you never ask for the sale and you condition your audience to do so, it's gonna hurt you. Because the minute that you switch gears and don't follow that conditioned pattern and you go ahead and ask for the sale, you can get some very nasty, brutal responses. And chances are you're not really gonna go anywhere. Now, I'll admit, when I first got started with affiliate marketing, building an online business, I wasn't very confident in asking for the sale. Because here I thought to myself, oh, who's gonna buy from a 22-year-old, digital entrepreneur? I mean, who's gonna wanna buy from me? And I realized that I can't be thinking like that, because if I'm really serious about building this online business, then I've got to get comfortable with selling. I got to not be afraid to ask for the sale. And hear me out. I'm not saying don't provide value at all. That's not what I'm saying here. And I'm especially not saying, oh yeah, ask for the sale by hitting up a bunch of people on Facebook and spamming them with your affiliate links, or go on your timeline and go ahead and spam your wall with all affiliate links. That's not what I'm saying here. Do provide value to the marketplace. Do solve problems in the marketplace, but at the same time, find that balance to where also you ask for the sale. It's gonna be uncomfortable. You're not gonna wanna do it. You might even feel a little stupid when you get around to the part where you ask for the sale after providing value. But when you condition your audience to get used to you providing value and selling, asking for the sale at the same time, what's gonna happen over time is they're gonna expect that you're gonna have always something to offer. So understand that when it comes to providing more value to the marketplace, don't do it to the point where you don't ask for the sale, or you want to be that person that you provide so much value, you provide so much information that's great and awesome, but you never go ahead and sell what you have to offer, you've got to break that. You've got to change that. Because if you don't go ahead and do that, then it's going to end up hurting your business long term. So the sooner that you understand that you've got to ask for the sale and don't be afraid to do so, the sooner that you understand that and implement that in your business, the better off you'll be long term, and you will reach success with driving revenues and the results that you're looking for. So I trust you got value out of this video, and if you'd like to get started on how you can get started in building an online business from home, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to click on the link below this video. It'll drive you to a page. I want you to put your name and email in there to get the free information on how you can get started on the journey into building the lifestyle of your dreams, just like I have. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can get all the latest videos I will be doing coming your way very soon. With all that said, my name is Castillo. See you on the next video real soon. Take care and see you around.